Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a really interesting video that I haven't done before. Someone's walking out. So today I thought, because yesterday I bought some blue spirulina, I finally found blue spirulina. I've always wanted that. So I'm gonna do eating only blue food for 20 hours challenge. I love watching videos like this, but I feel like I'm starting off with the hardest color to do. I just really want to use my blue spirulina because I'm so excited about it. So I'm heading to Woolies right now. It's actually a really nice sunny day. It is 10:30. Yeah, that's fun. I am off, no, I'm not off work today. I actually have work at 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna have to work around that. I also have planned workout with Lil at our hostel at 4. We do like a group workout every few days and it's a lot of fun. So that is the plan. Found lots of blueberry yogurts. I'm trying to look for like a blue drink to have. It's actually so hard, like there's like no natural blue things to find in the supermarket. Okay, I found these which I was looking for. I heard of them. Blue corn triangle. I found this, but there's gelatin in it, and I don't even like jello, so I feel like purple would be such an easy one to do. Let me know what color you want me to try next. I really hate sugary drinks like this. So guys, I just got back from the shops and I'm gonna do a little grocery haul on what I got. It was so hard to find like blue things. Most of the things are like tinted towards the purple or like the pink because there's not many natural foods that are blue, and I wanted to do this as natural as possible and like good healthy food. You know, I've been trying to get into that more recently, but obviously it's about balance. Oh my god, I've got some. So as I said, the thing that started this off was that I found blue spirulina the other day, and I've been obsessed with watching like these Instagram posts where people make like smoothie bowls with blue spirulina. It's called Stardust. It was in this little shop in Burley. Can't remember what it's called, but blue spirulina, if you don't know what it is, it's like a natural powder. Ingredients: blue spirulina, butterfly pea flour, organic ingredient, and it has shown to be a powerful immune booster, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. So people normally just put this in smoothies and stuff, and I thought I could use this as my food coloring if I do need to alter anything. Yes, I know people can see that as cheating, but honestly, there's not really much any other way to do this if you don't want to eat like blueberries and blue candy all day, which I don't want to do. First thing I found was this yogurt. Haven't tried it before. It tastes like dairy is the brand. Plant-based probiotic blueberry yogurt. So I love that that was plant-based. I've been trying to eat more vegan when I'm here, like without even thinking of it. It's been like more vegan because I tried to stay away from dairy. So this is vegan. Let's just hope it looks blue. Thought I could eat that as a snack or whenever I get hungry. I found this wild blueberry 100% natural jam, traditional French recipe, sweetened only with vineyard ripened grape and fruit juice concentrates, no cane sugar. It's got like grape dates in it. I don't know. It looks really yummy. I know it's not very blue, it's like more black, but it's the best thing that I could find. I obviously got blueberries. Hello, I got these frozen ones, 100% Australian blueberries. Yum. And I got blackberries. I don't really like blackberries, but thought they were the closest other thing to being blue. Next up, I got this mini almond blueberry from Think Food, all natural vegan mini munch nibble sized slow dry roasted snacks, which looks healthy and yummy, and it was only $1, so I wanted to try it out. I can eat this as a snack whenever. You know me, I love snacking. Then as drinks, I didn't want to get like Gatorade or anything like artificially blue like that, because I hate drinking fizzy drinks as it is, and just like when it's that color blue, I'm like, what is this? It scares me. I've never tried kombucha, so I'm really excited to try this. I found this is Remedy Good Energy Blackberry Kombucha with no sugar, with green coffee bean and ginseng. So I'm really excited to try this. Don't know what the color's gonna be. I will put it in a glass, but this is what it looks like. It was $3, so it's supposed to be really good for you. I'm excited about this. And then I got this, another drink. Like, as you guys know, I normally just drink water. I don't know if you guys know this, but water's like my favorite drink. I'm not saying that to be like, I don't only drink water because I'm so healthy. It's just like I grew up with drinking mainly water, and water's like my favorite drink. I mean, I love an iced coffee sometimes, but I don't like fizzy drinks, so that's why it's just water. And then I found this raw organic electrolyte infusion blueberry acai electrolyte beverage. I have no idea what an electrolyte beverage is supposed to be, but it looked better than all that artificial blue shit. This is more like pinky purple though, but guys, this was hard, so please don't come at me. It's got organic coconut water in it as well. I got oats so I can make pancakes, which I'm planning on doing. Same reason, I got these discount bananas, 99 cents, because they're about to go bad, but this is the best bananas because they're more sweet, so that's what I love using in smoothie bowls and shit like that. I don't know if I told you, but I got tzatziki. Oh, and then I found these crisps. These are blue corn tortilla triangles. No artificial colors, so they look good, and they're gluten-free. They look a bit more purple, but as I said, this was really hard. And then to go with that, I got tzatziki that I thought I could color with some blue spirulina. Cheat a little bit there. Oh, and I also got some more almond milk because we needed that. So it is currently 11:30. So the first meal I'm gonna have today is a brunch. This is like, my eating days will not obviously always look like that because I'm kind of limited to blue food today. But yeah, sometimes I eat really early, like when I start work at 10, I eat at like 9:30. But today I haven't really been feeling hungry, so that's why I've waited this late. I also woke up like an hour ago, so I haven't really started feeling hungry yet. Just so you guys know, like, I eat when I'm hungry, which is different every single day. Let's get started. Let's go to the kitchen. Also, I live in a hostel, so it's not going to be very easy to speak while I'm cooking. Maybe I'll have to do voiceovers, or just you will see what I'm doing. My first meal today is going to be a smoothie bowl with my blue spirulina. I'm so excited. I've got frozen bananas in the freezer downstairs, which I'm going to go get. Okay, so I've got 2 frozen bananas. I'm going to add some mango just for the flavor. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna add this Stardust blue spirulina. I don't know how much. Okay, I'm adding a teaspoon. Some almond milk. This is the result of my smoothie bowl. It is 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna eat this, and then Tanya and I are going to the beach. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It looks really nice. I'm actually happy with it. It tastes good. It just tastes like normal mango and banana smoothie bowl. I can't even taste the spirulina taste, which is good. I don't know if blue spirulina tastes different to the green one. It's good. Okay, it is 2:30 guys, and it's time for lunch. I'm gonna have more of so I'm gonna do the blue beetroot tortilla crisps with the tzatziki, and I'm gonna color it blue with spirulina. That will count, I hope. And I'm gonna do bread with the blueberry jam, and then I'm gonna drink my kombucha. So yeah, it's 2:30 now, and I'm gonna have this now because I want to have something light before my workout in 1.5 hours. I'm working out at 4, and then after that I will make something a little more filling for dinner. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm buttering it. And now I'm gonna try this natural blueberry jam. Wow, it is really clumpy. I'm gonna get some fruit. Wow, there's really dark blue. They're actually so dark blue in person. Aww.
Well, they are blue corn, so I mean,
yeah, it's blue corn, guys. You've got to let me off. Like, I'm trying my absolute hardest.
Rice and the white butter.
Shut up. I'm gonna put some spirulina in here. Okay, so this is a very sad and random lunch. The tzatziki and the blue tortilla crisps taste really good actually. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the lunch. It is 10 to 3. Now we're gonna taste test. And for my drink, I'm having the blackberry kombucha. Yeah, I couldn't find any blueberry one. That's very blue. Okay, these are a little bit more purpley colored, but it was so hard to find anything that's naturally blue without putting spirulina in it. and these are called blue tortilla crisps, so I think it counts. I hope it doesn't spill all over me like your one did. I've never actually bought a kombucha before. I've only tried it from other people.
Okay.
I don't, it's fizzy. I don't really like fizzy things, but oh, this one smells nicer than yours. But it does smell very vinegary. Blackberry with green coffee bean and ginseng. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, it's like pink, not blue.
The thought was there.
Yeah. It smells nice though. That's really disappointing. I could have just got like a blue Gatorade, but I really don't like that stuff. It's got something in it. Time to eat. Okay, I don't know why I started with this blue color because it's really hard. Yeah, it was really yummy. Okay, now let's try this. Blueberry jam. I should put more on. The blueberry jam was actually so good, guys. And it's au naturel. Okay, now let's try the tortilla crisps with the tzatziki.
No.
That was good. The tortilla crisps just taste like normal, and the tzatziki just tastes like tzatziki. It actually tastes really good. This lunch was kind of half a fail, but everything has blue in the name, so okay, dinner's gonna be better. It tastes a bit like a non-sweet Fanta. We just finished our workout. We started at 4, it's now 5, so we went for like an hour. It was really good. We did some cardio and some lower body, like legs and butt. I really don't feel like eating pancakes right now straight after I worked out. I don't normally feel like eating something like heavy. So we're gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna see if I can find a blue drink. Supposedly they have one on their secret menu. I'm not sure if that's only America or if Australia counts, but we're gonna go try. If not, I'll just drink my other drink that I got from Woolies and have some berries and like snacks. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. I also need to freshen up before work. I'm working at reception 6 to 10. Look at the sky. It's beautiful. We're gonna bring back Lil a donut. Lil is our new personal trainer. So cool.
Oh my god, Rebecca, Ellie.
Oh my god.
It's you.
Hi, do you want my autograph? It's fucking pink. It's pink. I tried to order the blue drink from the secret menu. So I asked for passion fruit tea with almond milk and vanilla, but I think they gave me hibiscus instead. I mean, what am I gonna do about it?
You tried.
Okay, let's try my pink drink then. It's quite nice, actually.
It's like a cinnamon tinge and a bit of berry.
How do you know? Did you try it?
Yeah, I did.
I feel like this video is beginning to flop. At least I tried.
You could add some spirulina. You've just spilt it.
I can add some spirulina when we get back.
Yeah.
Should I do that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put spirulina in it to make it blue. It's not cheating. It looks blue in person, it just looks purple on the camera. It tastes the same.
Yep, tastes exactly the same.
It's alright. It's quite refreshing. Can stop filming now. So I had a quick freshen up. I'm in reception now, and pouring spirulina in the drink actually worked. It looks purple on camera, but it does look blue in real life, I promise. So it is currently 6:20. I work 6 to 10. As I said, I wasn't feeling hungry yet. By the way, I've got a huge spot there, so don't mind that. But I bought my little mini munch bar that I got from Woolies with me. So I might just have that right now. Oh look, they're just like little pieces. They're little pieces with blueberry in, like they're not fully blue, but they will count because they got some blueberry in. Okay, I'm getting peckish now. It is 7:30, and because I can't really leave the reception for a long period of time because I'm at work, then Clara's making them for me, but I'm gonna go up and check on her so I can like show you the process of them being made. They're just like vegan banana pancakes with oats, bananas, blue spirulina to make it blue, and baking powder, and that's like all the ingredients you really need. You can add some like vanilla or like cinnamon. Okay, so it's 2 bananas, 3 deciliters of oats, and some baking powder. Wow, they're really blue. Clara made me these lovely blueberry pancakes. They are so blue, like they're almost black, but look, they're really blue. And there's some coconut on top, and then I've got my blueberry yogurt that looks more purple, but that's fine.
It's a dairy-free one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a dairy-free one. You can try it if you want. And some blackberries. So I'm gonna try it. Smells good. I think she's drizzled honey or syrup on. Oh, they're like, they smell amazing. Oh my god, they taste amazing. I'm dipping it in yogurt. I've never done that. Oh, proper blue. This is probably the best meal so far today. It's really good.